Second duel of the night. Holy crap, this guy's a 594. That's cool. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Extra, draw 2, banish 6. Red Eyes Fusion. Dark Magician, Red Eyes Black Dragon. Fusion Summon. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Let me just add a grade. We'll do the Necrovalley Throne. Throne. Okay, I thought it said Thorn. Oh, it's a throne. Yeah, it's a throne. Not negating. Let's get that guy. I might as well get 2 of these, thin it out. Thin out the deck. Okay. Do a Necrovalley? Nah. One crackdown. I'll keep the second crackdown for a Dragoon negate, and I don't want to get rid of Necrovalley. Nintendo. The heck is this? Yeah, I'm gonna negate that. It's negated, yeah. Okay. Oh, they're tuners. Tuner. It's got 4 monsters. You can go to a Boral Sword. Oh, Fabled. Let's go. You can 2 cards. Sure. Level 7, 7, 8, 9. I could synchro 9. What? Same number of same number of cards in there negate. Oh, okay. Wait, I think I need to take this guy. Negate by your opponent. Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm taking his Jeez, come on, I'm gonna time out? Huh. What happened there? Well, we can let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I'm gonna go with the lightning storm route. Which one though? I wonder how much points I get for this. So it's usually 1,000 and 1,000, but oh, it's got the dangers. What is episode 90? What? Episode what? Is this 92? 92. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. How much did I gain from there? So I was at 1226 and that was 1232. From 1226 to 1232. Wow. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.